Welcome back to TeamBoxBreak.com, home of the free hobby box. We're here tonight. We're going to be breaking, it's break 14-16. We got Brian behind the camera. Brian, say hi.
Yeah.
What's up? That's right. This is going to be a double break tonight. We're going to be breaking some Crown. Brian, dude, this isn't the box.
Here, let me help you.
Whoa! What came in today, Brian?
I don't know, Scott.
Whoa, that looks like a t-shirt. Brian, wow. Thanks for giving me the right boxes. Could we buy those?
I think you can, Scott.
Brian, what can we buy those for?
You could buy these for $18.
Whoa, no. Guys, you email, you say Scott sent you, we'll get you them for $17. Beyond that, that's going to be free shipping, $17, guys. Hey, thanks for the free promo. You could, too, be wearing a TeamBoxBreak.com shirt. Okay. Sweet. With that, we're going to get on with the break tonight. We want to thank some multi-time buyers. We got the UN
3148 back again. We got the section rules. That's a first time buyer, if I'm not mistaken. Thanks for coming in. We also have Leo. Leo was here tonight. Yeah, Leo. Wow. Leo, I remember your name. And Leo, I appreciate you. You're a multi-time buyer. Thanks a lot. We got Maria here tonight. Thank you. Another buyer, Leo. Rosa 132. Exciting. Thanks for coming back. We got Matt back again. Maria again for group management numbers. So UNLV, Boo, Rosa. We got Matt. We already talked about that. Nicholas is back again. And section rules again. Thanks for being a new buyer. Fast rocks. Thanks again. Janter 1964, thanks for being a first time buyer. Leo, thanks again, and another Rosa. So guys, with that, let's get to this break. 2 minutes? What? 2 minutes? Okay, we're gonna hurry up, guys. And let's do another hard written boxes. I've written lights, what do I do? Oh, what about that, Brian? Put me another one in this box. Brian, I seem to be lucky. Oh, hey, Brian, you want to zoom on these buttons? Yeah, we saw him break them. Yeah, hold a little closer so the camera's part of that. Okay, you got it? We got a 7211 and we got a 0184. Got it? That's down, guys. We're on. Okay, that's it. We got the extra card. Brian, you wanna take one? Let's do the second from the bottom. Second from the bottom. Feel good about that one. Okay. David Gerard is right where we start. Wow, nice card.
And we're gonna go off with a start right off with a patch for the Lions. And the Lions, who has the Lions? The Lions are set up in Group D, if I'm not in Group D, if I'm not mistaken. And it is UNLV 3148.
Dominican Sue jersey right off the bat.
Is that a good card?
Yeah.
I didn't even say the name, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's see if it's a numbered card, if I can do that without ruining everything else behind it. It is number 2 out of 299, Brian. Dominican Sue again, UNLV 3148. That's a nice
nice way to start off the double
that's
break.
a sick hit, as Brian would say.
Then we got a Kyle Williams for the 49ers. And after that, we got a nice Colt McCoy royalty card. And is this my favorite card? No. We got Jeremy Macklin. I was hoping for the what is it, Falco? Joe Flacco. We didn't get Joe Flacco. And then I'm gonna flip this around real quick. And then we got a Darian Sproles. The Chargers. Let's go next card, Brian. Pick it. Alright. Let's do keep moving. Sorry. Let's do second from the top. Second from the top. I'll try to move this time. Very good. Keep pulling those cards. No chairs. Okay. Calvin Winslow Jr. And number card.
Side. We got a Panthers. It's a royalty patch. Brandon LaFell.
Oh, nice,
Yeah, nice. And LaFell, Brian, who does he play for?
Carolina Panthers.
Carolina Panthers. And we got the Panthers in Group C, and the Panthers go to, if I'm not mistaken, Nicholas. Nice hit. Again, a multi-time buyer. Thanks.
And then we got the Devin McCourty. Yep. A living legend. Percy Harvin. Connor Cadillac Williams. I'm assuming there's a story there. I'm not gonna ask about it. Ryan, what's the next card? Let's do bottom pack. You know the story about this Cadillac, Ryan? Ryan does. He's right back, so I thought. The Jay Cutler. Chicago Bears. No, who's that? There it is. No, it's, oh, Felix.
The jersey, right? And we got King of the NFLs for the Lions.
Calvin Johnson.
Calvin Johnson
There you go.
Jr., Brian. Calvin Johnson Jr.
Yeah.
And we got the Lions as Group D, and that's a UNLV 3148.
From Michigan.
See if it's a numbered card. 105 out of 290, Brian. 105 out of 290.
Nice.
Oof.
And we got a Jarrett Brown, 49ers. We got a living legend, Dal Softner. Wow, sounds just like the Softner using the machine. And we got the zone, Kylie. And we got Cedric Benson, the Bengals. Alright, what's next? Let's do second from the bottom. From the bottom. things are going pretty good today, Ryan. Not sure. Oh, Eli Manning, if I'm not mistaken, he won the Super Bowl one time. Nice card. Uh-oh.
And next we got a autograph, Aaron Hernandez
Nice
for the
hit.
Patriots.
Yeah.
The Patriots are they're part of Group C, Brian, just so you know, owned by UNLV 3148. You only have one
Man.
spot in that group. Man, you're cleaning up today. Uh-oh.
Oh, should be numbered. It's a nice number, too. It is 97 out of 249, Ryan. It is. Thank you. And we got blank. We got Anthony Dixon. And we got a Majestic Sammy Bow, I believe. Redskins. And last but not least, and I got 2 more, so sorry. We got a Jets Royalty, Darrell Revis. Nice, the Jets. And we got the Browns, Jake Delhomme. The Browns. Downtown Browns. Next pack. All right. You do this one. Oh, gosh. Oops. I'm feeling it, boys and girls. Trying not to let you guys down. Uh-oh. This is not going on. This break. All right. Never seen like this before, right? Well, there we go. And it's, I got a lot of muscle here, and I want to have a problem. Lucky's only go to 12, 13, you know. Okay, here we go. We're in the Queese Colston. Another good card for the Saints. Yeah, you can do that. Hit to that. And Brian, we're going to do the Miles Austin. It's obviously been working pretty well for me so far. For the Cowboys, and we got the Zone, Darren McFadden. There it is. All right. Yep. And we got the Refractor, Jerome Murphy. Nice. Maybe out of 100. Here's a card out of 100. It's 10 out of 100, Brian. Nice. And we got a Brody Eldridge. And that's for the Colts, if I'm not mistaken. Indianapolis, not far away from us. And the last card, Brian, in this pack
There's going to be a Troy
Polamalu.
single color patch. Nice card. It is 296 out of 299. The card's going fast. It's one of the last ones. Okay.
Brian, do the bottom one. Like a pro card flip there. Nice. We got Matt Moore for the Panthers. Oh, you know what I didn't say, guys? Hey, the Steelers, correct, Brian? Yep. The Steelers are owned by, thanks for saving me there, Maria owns the Steelers. And we got the Falcons, it's the Kings of the NFL, Matt Ryan. And we got numbered blue refractor, Russell Holcomb for the Seahawks. And that is 13 out of 100. And we got a Lassane McCoy, Sean McCoy, that's 2 A's for the Eagles. Nice card. And we got
Mike Kafka. Is that a good card? Mike Kafka plays for the Eagles. The Eagles are in Group D, and the Eagles go to Leo. Leo, you were due, bud.
Got the hit.
You were due. You got the hit.
I saw the card there, we got a blank card, and we got John Stone. Okay, right? Top one. Top one's fine. Okay. Yeah, fine. No, they're stuck. Brandon Pettigrew. Oh, wow, let me shoot that right. What? Brandon Pettigrew. The Lions. Okay. And we got a Reggie Wayne for the Colts. We got Steelers, Hines Ward. We got Lions, John Best. And we got, is that a refractor technically? No, absolutely not. And we got Jason Warlands, the Steelers. And for the head of the pack.
Wow.
Oh! We got a rookie die cuts. Crown Royal autograph. Ooh. It's the Chargers, and it's Ryan Matthews.
Nice. That's a great hit, man.
Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Chargers, Ryan Matthews goes to Matt. Matt, multi-time buyer.
What's
I've
that
never seen
number?
one of those before, Brian. It's a 40 out of 50.
Nice.
Nice hit there. Okay.
The last pack, 14 minutes. 14 minutes, we gotta hurry. And second one. So we passed that. We got David Gerard. And we got Anthony Davis. We got a Majestic Bears, Johnny Morris. It's a low number hit too. Yep, coming up. We got a running back, Ravens, 27. Bay Rice. Non-refractor, Ryan Fitzpatrick. David Gerard. That was I think first card I pulled. And Brian.
And
What is it? Get out of
it's
here!
a royalty.
Oh!
Whatever, however you pronounce that. Signed
Blue
card.
color.
Who got the Lions? Group D. The Lions go to UNLV 3148.
That's a hit right there for a Lions fan.
Yeah, dual color patch, signature. It is 9 out of 25.
Wow, that's a
Bam!
good number.
That's how we do it here at teamboxbreak.com, guys. By the way, who knows, you could win a free spot. Sign up for the YouTube video, for our YouTube channel. Bam! With that said, guys, hey, We're going to real quick get together all the hits. We appreciate everything you've done. We're going to go over those, and then after that, we're going to draw for the Topps Chrome hobby box. Thanks, guys. TeamBoxBreak.com back here. We're going over 14-16. We're going to show you the break. So let's, as Brian does, go down there. We got the Panthers. We got the Brandon LaFell. We got the Steelers. Troy Palomo, say it.
Palomalu.
Bam, Eagles. We got the Mike Kafka. We got the Patriots. We got the Aaron Hernandez. Over to the Chargers.
That's a sick little card.
That's a sick card. That's a rookie die cut, brother. Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Then we got the Lions, Brian's home team. We got the single patch. I like the way this one's put together. The Calvin Johnson Jr. Then we got the royalty. Say it, Brian.
Ndamukong Suh.
Ndamukong Suh. And this is a nice card, but it's not double patch. It's not signed. Boom. We bring it to you. Bam! Right here at TeamBoxBreak.com. We bring you the royalty. We bring you the Ndamukong something Suh. Double patch. The only thing that could be better is if it was numbered out of 25, and it is. Bam. That's a nice hit. Hey, thanks, guys. We'll see you in a few minutes. We're going to take everybody and get a hit, and we're going to go for a hobby box. Bam. Peace. TeamBoxBreak.com, guys. Remember, email Scott. Okay, bam. If you were a Lion, Patriot, Eagle, Charger, Panther, or Steeler, you're not in. But everybody else, Rams, Cowboys, 49ers, Seahawks, Jaguars, Cardinals, Bucks, Raiders, Bengals, Saints, Jets, Broncos, Bears, Ravens, Titans, Browns, Giants, Colts, Chiefs, Vikings, Falcons, Redskins, Packers, Bills, Dolphins, and the Texans. If you're one of those guys, we're going to go for this right here, okay? You ready for this? This is, you only see this type of action at TeamBoxBreak.com, guys. Okay, here we go. I'm pulling. Bam! The Cowboys. The Cowboys be owned by, today, Matt, bam. I think, Matt, not only did you get a hit, but because you had enough spots, people buy multiple spots, you also won the box.
He's a website buyer too, baby.
Yeah, bam. Yeah. Hey, we appreciate you guys. If you want us to break this, Matt, we will for you online, no problem. We're excited. Guys, this was an awesome box. Only at TeamBoxBreak.com. By the way, you can order the shirts again. That's, what are we, 17, 18?
Sure.
$17 if you say Scott. 18 if you say Brian. Don't say Brian. Become a YouTube member, you can get a free spot. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful night.